Right, so what I'm going to make now is a porthilly mussel dish with bacon, cider, onions and sage. It's a really nice West Country dish. It's a little bit like the French take on Moules Marinière, a Cornish version. Nice simple ingredients: onion, bacon, sage, clotted cream, cider and these lovely porthilly mussels. So get your pan nice and hot, some rapeseed oil in there or some light olive oil, nothing too strong. It's got some chopped onion that's going to go in, and the bacon. Now you want to get a bit of colour on them, on the onions and the bacon, because I think what makes this dish really nice is the caramelisation of those onions and the bacon. That'll take 2 or 3 minutes, just a bit of colour. Whilst that's cooking, just trying to check my mussels, make sure that they're all closed. Make sure all the beards are taken off. These are nice and clean. I've got some sage here as well, which I'm just going to chop this sage up. This is a rustic dish as well, so don't worry about getting anything too fine. Don't make it all chefy. Just chop it up. So the onions and the bacon are nearly there. Once you cook down that bacon, the actual fat starts to render down, and that helps the onions caramelise as well. But also it's going to leave a lovely flavour. It's going to work so well with the mussels. So the onions are caramelised, the bacon's starting to catch, which is quite nice, and then in with your mussels. Give them a bit of a stir through the onions and the bacon, get everything working. And then some cider. And obviously it's a bit healthy at the moment, so we need to add this nice big dollop of cream. Get that in there. And then lid on. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes to just cook and steam open. And all we got to add to that now is the sage, and then that's it. Simple as that. Okay, so let's check this, see if they're steamed open. Yep, as you can see, they've opened up. That's what you want. You want all the mussels to be open. So in with the sage, and then give them a good stir. And that's it. Simple as that. So all we need is our bowl. Let's go for it. There you go. And there you have it. Steamed mussels with bacon, sage, clotted cream and cider.